Hey guys, I'm Josh from HHP. I'm joined here today with Jason from MBRP.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yeah, thanks for coming in. So today we have an exhaust here for this 1320 Challenger on the lift. Do you mind telling us a little bit about the kit here?
I'd be happy to. So this is for 15 and newer Dodge Challengers. We'll fit all of the V8 engine configurations. The particular kit we're doing today is our race kit, which is going to be the louder side.
Right.
It's T304 stainless steel, comes with a lifetime warranty. And this kit we're doing today is backed by our carbon fiber tips, which I think should look pretty sweet in this bumper.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. Not a lot of tips like this out there on the market for these cars, so this is an awesome, unique thing to have with this kit.
Also does the quad tips too as well, which I think look great in the stock cutouts.
Nice sporty look, nice aftermarket but clean look.
Yep.
Yeah. So Jason, tell us a little bit more about MBRP.
Yeah, absolutely. So MBRP is an emissions compliant exhaust company based out of Ontario, Canada. We started back in the 90s in the snowmobile market, have since grown into truck, both gas and diesel, muscle cars, sport compact, and European, as well as power sports.
Awesome. Yeah, very cool. Well, let's get this kit on this car and see how it sounds.
Let's do it.
All right.